Hello guys, welcome to Teacher Restaurant Stop.
Always listen.
Success rate nya very low.
Hello guys, welcome back to Teacher Lesson TikTok. I am the student Tyrone Irish right now from 6 Justice. Right now we are at Jons Grapevines Figs Garden right now, boys. We are in somewhere in the garden. The whole jungle, boys. If you see up there, we see the grapes. Green, purple, you name it. It's still here, boys. Make sure you like, follow, comment and share to your entire family. 50,000 views, guys. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Zimbabwe! Like and subscribe to Teacher Lester.
Mm-hmm.